Dun 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 dun. Hello everyone, my name is Crystal and I'm a graduate student in the lab here at UCSB. We just ordered a Celestron CGX Equatorial 1100 HD telescope, totaling over $7,000. Ah, the sweet smell of science. It is an 11-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope with the CGX Equatorial mount. Who said a professional astronomer couldn't use an amateur astronomer's telescope for research? Well, too bad. We did it, and we did it with the last remaining scrap of funding we had left for my research project. Well, let's get to it. We would like to thank our sponsor for this video and our very first sponsor for the entire experimental astrophysics channel, Celestron. Celestron heard about our funding situation and sent us the StarSense autoguider. This accessory eliminates the hassle of manually aligning your telescope so you can focus on what's important: observing and imaging. Well, there it is. We successfully unboxed and assembled the Celestron CGX Equatorial 1100 HD telescope. The next step, which I'm sure you're all very excited for, is to take this bad boy to the roof of the physics building and start taking some pretty pictures. We'll see you all later once it's dark out. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of our new telescope and the images we were able to get. My next step is buying a replacement mirror for the star diagonal at the back of the telescope so I can drill some very tiny holes through it, feed in a few optical fibers, and send the light down to our spectrometer in the lab, which will separate the light into its wavelengths so we can analyze the chemical composition of those faraway heavenly bodies. See you in the next video!